How to know if someone has seen your messages on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Start by launching up your Instagram app and get logged into your Instagram account. From here, tap onto the messages icon or the messenger icon on your right side. Then tap on any person that you would like to send the message and type in the message. Once done, as you see that there is no seen option, meaning that this person has not received or seen my message. And if the person has seen your messages, you will see seen just now or just seen just below your message. Just like so, this is how you know if a person has seen your message. But if the person has seen your message, from their pop-up, this will not show as seen, but even though they already will have seen your message. So if a person is not replying to your message, just know that they already have seen your message on their pop-up and they are just choosing to ignore your messages. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. Catch you up in our next upload.